History tells us that our ancestors had a very strong connection to nature. Such elements like the movement of animals, the abundance of plants, and the changes in the color of the sky have profoundly influenced our traditions and beliefs. Aside from the waters, none has helped the fisherfolk more than the skies. The stars, the seasons, and even the wind assisted our ancestors in creating a connection between celestial events and human affairs. But it also helped chart directions in the sea. Traditionally, fishermen utilized their knowledge of constellations to tell the time. They thought that when a certain star rose in the sky, it would accurately tell the time. Kabugason is a local term for the morning star. The biggest and brightest star most fishermen know, it usually rises at 4 o'clock in the morning. This star is also considered, in astronomical definition, as the planet Venus. Other terms like Kapanos, a star that is believed to set because they shine less, Cruz, a star that resembles a cross, and Rosaryuhan, a rosary-like constellation that act as a guide throughout the fishing route, are among the set of heavenly bodies which serve as a guide for fishermen to navigate time and place at sea. Interestingly, the seasonality of fish is not based on the weather. Rather, it's based on when the fish are most plentiful and at their peak for harvest. Danggit in most parts of Cebu is common in the season of summer. It releases its fish roes in April and can be harvested when it is fully grown in June to July. Toloy in Badian releases its fish roes in November and is available until March. The tabogok in Olango is abundant during the full moon in July to December, while the tornos is abundant during March to August. And the bulao or anduhaw in Bantayan Island is available in June to July. The abundance of fish in that season is also tied with its location. The term tungdanan refers to the point that fishermen use as navigation aid based on terrain patterns, color of the sea, lights at night, and etc. In some areas in Cebu, fishermen would always refer to one location as the tungdanan. In the island of Zaragoza, off the coast of Badian, Cebu, fisherfolks can recognize particular areas as tungdanans based on their prior fishing experience that has been passed down for generations. The local knowledge passed down from generation to generation is paramount to understanding the fishing communities of Cebu, and it is important for such knowledge to be a part of the collective narrative of our local culture and heritage.